Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this file or picture and want to know how to draw it. I've got a couple of questions. I don't know why that's at a slant. And are they supposed to be going downhill? It took me a while to kind of look at it. This is a circle. This is a corner. And that's a corner. So it's more like a circle and a square with a square with rounded corners. So let's start off with let's make it a 12-inch circle. And then let's get a 12-inch square. I think we'd want to start equally. Let's take the square and round off the corners. So let's go to Windows, Dockers, and Corners. And 2 inches look pretty good. Then let's take both of them and let's make them thicker. And for the size, I made them quite a bit thicker. Let's go 70. Now go to Object and convert the outlines to an object and left click, right click. And I don't really understand the downhill part. Then just take your square and place it in here where you can see that that's going to continue so if I'm going to duplicate this thing perfectly, the bottom of the square is almost at the bottom of the circle. You know what? Let's get an indexing line and put it at the bottom of the circle. And we'll turn on my indexing lines. And then move this down to the bottom of I moved it off the subject a little bit, so I'm going to have to, you know what? Let's do this. I had it on there. If you will hold down your control button while you're moving it, it won't go left or right. Now, also there is a starting and stopping point of this circle. So let's draw a 2-point line. And if you grab it in the center, it should snap to the center of that circle. Now, a couple ways you could do it. You could smart fill it, but let's just take our virtual segment delete key and delete that, and that. Now we need a stopping point. And can't really tell how long it is. And what I would do is draw a line and put it right here, but keep this. Don't delete this, and then take the Smart Fill tool and fill that in, and look at that. But I'm going to keep this in case I need to make this line longer. Left click, right click. I'm going to have to zoom in. So the next one is upside down. So I'm going to hit the plus key and mirror it. And mirror it the other way. See, my line's too long compared to the picture. So you could bring that in before the curve, as long as it's not over the curve. And that looks pretty good. Now mine doesn't look like it's going to be, maybe it's just rotated. No, that bar is going down. So if you need that bar going down, you're just going to need to change some things. So let's take this and weld it. Didn't grab it all. That got rid of those two lines. And Control D. That looks pretty similar. Control D. If you hit it the first time you move it, the Control D will keep moving. And then let's weld that. Oh, you know what? So it's got it's got ends going outwardly. Well, you know, we still got a copy of this, so and I've also done more. Let's weld that together. We can still get a new copy. Whoop, got to zoom in here. And take that copy and left click, right click, and flip it. There we go. I think this is going to work. Control D and flip it the other way. Well, I'm going to have to flip it again. It's amazing how good Snap to is, but it was just on the wrong node. Now I don't have the angle whoever drew that made, but they're pretty, you know, if you look, they're pretty even, the space. Well, that would be comical if it wasn't, but anyway, only my curiosity is the angle. Or is the whole picture just angled? No, something's a little different. This part has got an angle to it. So I might look at it again on another video, but if you're going to draw this is what I'd want. And then grab that and let's make it that turquoise. This would be a good project to interactive fill tool. And I like using red and yellow. And it gives you that orange in the middle. Now let's look at it with a black box. Not going to change anything, but it really brings out the colors and you can really see the orange now. You know, there's a lot you could do with this. You could make a framework. You could come off, you could make a frame with that pattern and just come this way now. Anyway, I hope that answers the question and thank you for watching.